video, I'm going to teach you how to add stylus writing to Notion. If you've ever wanted to handwrite notes, sketch ideas, or quickly draw diagrams inside your Notion workspace, this is a simple way to do it. Notion doesn't natively function like a handwriting canvas, but you can easily work around that by embedding an interactive whiteboard directly into your page. Once it's set up, you'll be able to write or draw using a stylus, and in many cases, even your finger on a touchscreen device. To get started, open your browser and go to an interactive whiteboard website. This could be a tool like Excalidraw, Whiteboard, or Miro. Any platform that lets you draw on a canvas and share it with a link can work for this method. When choosing one, it helps to pick a whiteboard tool that feels responsive with your stylus and is easy for you to use. Once you are on the whiteboard site, go ahead and draw or write your notes using your stylus. This is where you can create anything you want, whether that's quick handwritten notes, arrows, rough brainstorming sketches, or a more structured visual layout. If your device supports pressure sensitivity or palm rejection, the writing experience may feel more natural. But even a basic stylus should work fine for simple note taking. After you've written something on the whiteboard, find the share or copy link option on that platform. Click it and copy the whiteboard's URL to your clipboard. This link is what allows Notion to display the board directly inside your page. Make sure you copy the correct shareable link, so the board can load properly when embedded. Next, open the Notion page where you want your stylus writing to appear. Click into the page and type /embed. From the pop-up menu that appears, select Embed. Notion will then give you a field where you can paste the link you copied from the whiteboard platform. Paste in the whiteboard URL, then click Embed Link. After a moment, the whiteboard should appear right inside your Notion page as an embedded box. At that point, you can interact with it directly and continue writing or drawing using your stylus or finger, depending on your device. This is a great option for visual thinkers, students, or anyone who prefers handwriting over typing. It keeps your sketches and notes accessible without leaving Notion, and it can make your workspace feel much more flexible. Thanks for watching.